Welcome, dear traveller. Tonight we drift to a peaceful morning in Bali, Indonesia, where the air is warm and soft against your skin. The scent of salt and incense lingers on the breeze, and time itself seems to slow right down to the rhythm of your footsteps on the soft sand beneath your feet. This is a travel drift, a sleep story by the Aurora. You find yourself standing barefoot at the edge of a quiet beach. The sky is still painted in deep indigo, and the first hint of the dawn glows faintly along the horizon. The beautiful sun slowly rising to light up another day in tropical paradise. Each gentle wave rolls in with a rhythm that feels timeless, a soft invitation for you to slow down, to let go, to surrender to the moment. You listen to the hush of the ocean, the faint call of a rooster somewhere inland, and the whisper of palm leaves swaying overhead. You take a deep breath in and you exhale slowly, feeling your body soften as the early golden light begins to unfold. The world is waking up, but it feels like this moment is for you and you only. You carry your surfboard under one arm. Its waxed surface is cool and smooth to the touch. The sand beneath your feet is soft, still untouched by footprints. With every step you take toward the water, you feel more alive, more present, more in tune with the pulse of Mother Nature herself. The ocean greets you with a playful hush as a small wave washes over your ankles. It feels warm, gentle, familiar. You wade in deeper until you can float, and you climb up onto your board. The water supports you effortlessly, as if it knows exactly who you are. A soul returning home. You paddle slowly toward the open sea. Each gentle stroke creating ripples that catch the growing light. Ahead of you, the horizon is blushing with gold and rose. The sun begins to rise, and for a moment, the whole world glows with a sacred stillness. You pause, resting on your board, watching the sun lift gracefully over the water. It feels like the first sunrise of your life, like everything before this moment was just a dream. A small, perfect wave begins to form in the distance. You can feel its quiet power as it approaches. You turn on your board, positioning yourself with ease. The ocean gathers you in, and you paddle, feeling the force of the water beneath and behind you. You pop up, and suddenly you're gliding effortlessly, weightlessly, across a sheet of liquid light. Time slows down. You can feel every drop of water rushing beneath you, every shimmer of sunlight dancing across your skin. There's no thought, no effort, no past or future, just the pure freedom of movement, the soft roar of the sea, and the rhythm of your breath. When the wave finally carries you back toward the shore, you let yourself fall gently into the water. The ocean cools your body, washing away any heaviness you've been carrying. You take a moment and float on your back, gazing up at the pale morning sky. The clouds drift lazily above you, forming shapes bathed in golden light, and the sun warms your face. It feels like peace. It feels like home. Like you've returned to something ancient, something spiritual, something eternal. The beach is waking up now. There are fishermen wandering towards their boats, and the day is beginning to unfold gently all around you. You walk back along the shoreline, feeling grounded, calm, and clear. Every cell in your body feels balanced and whole. You are part of something vast and loving. The same energy that moves the tides moves through you too. As the sound of the waves continue, you find a comfortable place to rest beneath a palm tree. The rhythmic hush of the ocean becomes your lullaby. You close your eyes and feel the warmth of the sun through your eyelids. The faint taste of salt on your lips. And your breathing slows. Peace settles deep within you. You have nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just this generous present moment. Just this feeling. This beautiful ocean and you becoming one. Sleep now, dear traveller. Sleep deeply and peacefully.